Hello, money besties. Happy weekend and welcome to a new month. Today, I am going to talk about the stocks that will make Nigerian investors millions quietly. Well, like what I mean is silent money. Like, there's so many people making money from dividends and they're not talking. Quiet money, silent money. So, I want to let you know that 2025 is like 60% completed. If you want to be in a different financial position by the end of the year, you need to break your goals into smaller goals and get into a learning community. You need to learn how to make money work for you. So happy new month, fam. Love, 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 love. I love you all. Thank you for keep watching. Okay. So 2025 is not the year to chase hype. Do you know that some people are, turning small savings into real asset because they know what to do with their money? So one thing is to have knowledge, another thing is to be able to put that knowledge into action and yielding results. So let's talk about some of the companies that are paying dividends because the easiest passive income I love to preach is actually dividend income. And I am a lover of dividend stocks. I do a lot of US dividend stocks. Some actually pay me every month. So the joy of dividends is getting paid for doing absolutely nothing. All you need to do is to just own the stocks. So if you missed these ones as per Nigerian stocks, so far this year, these companies have paid dividends. GTCO 7 naira, Lafarge 1.5 naira, Vitafoam 1.5, Julius Berger 3.25. Yeah, I think they paid 3.25. Stanbic 3 naira, Zenith 4 naira, Dangote Cement 30 naira, Transcorp 3 naira and 50 kobo. So you missed it, right? Not to worry, maybe you didn't have the information, maybe you thought it was a joke, maybe you thought it was not real, but now you know better. So join our Project 100 VIP and you will learn how to save money, grow your money, multiply money. There's something we do there. We learn how to save, how to spend, how to budget your money. And then you get into the challenge because I want to see you win. And then you learn how to print money in the stock market. So if this is the kind of thing you love, consider joining the community. Click in the link. The link is in the description. So just click and join us. I cannot wait to have you, yes, you, to join us. Those that have joined, oh my God. In fact, feedback choke. So welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia. If this is the first time you're meeting me, here I talk about how to make money, leveraging the US stock market and other personal finance information. So watch this video and click the like for me. I really, really, really ask you to do that for me. Thank you and watch till the end and learn. Of course, you have to join other VIP. I call my subscribers VIPs because they are special to me. So subscribe and join other VIPs. Like, share, and drop your comments. So you can use dividends and capital growth to win, even when you are earning small money. The idea is not, I don't know how to put it. Most people think it's only when they have 1 million naira, that's when they can actually start investing. That's a lie. All you need is just clear steps that actually work. So from Nigeria, you can explore and do big things. There are some stocks that we have that return 7 times. Do you understand? 5 times, 100%, 300%. It's all in the knowledge. So let's talk about some of these stocks because I'm not going to gatekeep. I'm not going to take your time. I just want us to get started. So these are companies that are going to be paying dividends. They are willing to pay you for just owning their shares. So for you to be eligible to receive payment from these companies that I'm going to show you, you have to be a shareholder before the ex-dividend date. Look at the ex-dividend dates here. So for NNFM, this is Northern Nigeria Flour Mill. Look at this company. In the last 1 year, they've grown 92%. They've even done 100. It's just that recently they are selling people were taking profits, and that's why you see this drop down here. Okay, I just want you to know that it's not advisable to buy at the top. So now that the stock is pulling back, in fact, I would love to see that stock come to 70 naira. That would be another good place to buy. And this is in the food sector. Now you can see their dividend yield 0.81%. and you have to own it before September 18th. You have to own it before September 18th. So keep that in mind. So that's the very first one. Let's go to the second one, Okomu Oil. I actually did a YouTube short on this like last week. And I talked about how a lot of Nigerians are going to make money. Some people are going to wake up with 3 million. Some people wake up with 300,000. Some people wake up with hundreds, depending on how many shares you own. Now look at this. The last 1 month, this stock has grown from 800 naira to 1,100 naira and above, just a little bit above 1,100 naira. And this company are into palm oil, and they've grown so big. Agriculture is such a big thing right now. Look at their yield, 5%. This is the kind of stocks I love to buy. I love their yield, 5%. Amazing. And this is when you need to own it. So please, I will suggest you buy before August 11th. Don't wait until August 11th to buy. So this new week we're about to enter, if you really want to own it, but there are things you have to understand. Don't just buy stocks just because you want to earn dividends. There should be other things. I see this as a massive growth stock. Let me show you something. Look at their last 1 year. They've done over 260%. Look at this. Amazing. So this pullback for me is required. I really love to see them drop to like 900, because between now and then, people will be taking profit, people will be selling and all of those things. So I would not like for you to buy this stock at 1,100 or 1,050 naira. I would love you to wait for this stock, because we are getting into the season where stocks are going to pull back. They've been running up for such a long time. Look at this, July, August. So it's been a long time, okay? Look at this move from November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Here we are. So the stock needs to pull back a little bit for it to continue to 1,500. I see the stock going to 1,500 and they are paying 30 naira. So consider adding it to your portfolio. Now I'm going to talk about another one, which is Presco. Presco is another stock I really love. So look at their move too. The last 1 year, they've done 300% from below 600 to 1,550. This is the top. I will say it again. Don't buy at the top. Consider capital appreciation alongside with dividends. Consider capital appreciation alongside with dividends. So Presco will be paying on November 21st. So you can own it before November 10th. So it's still like couple of months away. So what I want you to do for this one is, while you're preparing, you can wait for this stock to make a pullback, maybe into the 1,200 or even lower than that. You can grab this and then ride it up while you are enjoying the dividends. That's how to make a smart move. Now let's talk about Transcorp. Transcorp is another one. Transcorp have actually paid before, so this one is like an interim dividend, and they are paying 1 naira, I think 40 kobo. I think it's 40 kobo. They are paying 40 kobo on 11th of August. So you have to own it before 11th of August. I think they're paying on around 22nd August. So you can see their price haven't really moved like that. It's just been hovering between 300 and 370. So this type of stocks, most people don't want to sell it. So they're usually like within the range. I actually love to own a bit of this stock, so if you want to buy it, do your own due diligence, do your research before you do that. Their yield is 1.5%, which is not bad, but I love from 4% and above personally. So this is it for Transcorp. Now UCAP is another company that is paying 30 kobo. So sometimes people think 30 kobo is more until someone earns up to 2 million naira or 500,000 from this 30 kobo. You begin to think again. So it may look small, but I love their chart. I love this pullback to 12 naira, and I'm hoping to see this come back to retest 15 naira, because it has a strong support around 15 naira. If I see it come around here, see, if you buy it at 15 naira and you sell it at 25 naira, you've even made more than the 30 kobo. That's how you should think. Think smart. Now look at Owando. Look at this drop in the last 1 month. Owando dropped to like 50, below 51, and I told someone to quickly grab this, and the person bought this stock, about 100,000 shares, and then rode it up to 61 naira, 62 naira, and made almost over 1 million naira. So this is what you can call smart move, waiting for the stock to get to a price. So like I said, for this one, imagine that this 10 naira move can make you 1 million naira if you know how to play this game, the game of invest. I'm going to do another video for that. So consider joining our 100 stock millionaire VIP challenge. 100 VIPs, we're doing dividend challenge, we're doing 100%. We're learning how to double our account, playing and buying the right stocks. In fact, stocks are going on discount. If you know what is good for you, just rush and join now, because this is one of the best times to properly position. And of course, we're going to have a lucky winner. You're not late, so you can still join our VIP membership community, and I would love to have you there. So of course, the stocks I mentioned are my personal views, the things that have worked for me. Do your own research. If you have a financial advisor, ask the person before you buy. Don't just blindly buy. But if you're in my community, they can ask me certain questions. We can review portfolio. I can look at how much they have. That's what they get for being in the community. So consider it as this one as educational purposes. So if you want to learn from me, join our community. And this is what we do in the community. We're having a second, like H2 activities. So you're not going to be idle. There are so many activities. First of all, you go through the knowledge, which is packed. My God, we have 100% challenge, we have dividend challenge, we have compound interest. I'm teaching you compound interest a different way you never thought about. We're going to do market analysis. You begin to understand certain things that happen in the market, why stocks move in certain ways, so that you can finish rich in 2025. So join us. It is just 50,000 naira only. And of course, I do hope that the video you watched today, you've been able to write down, places where you can make some money. Okay, I want you to make some money this August. And of course, my August stock list is shared in my VIP community. They know they're going to see the entire list of stocks we're going to be buying this August and how much, of course, we'll be making. So this is why it's important. So when there are changes in prices, I tell them what to do to readjust. And when it's time for us to take profits, we know how to do that. So join us. Do you enjoy today's class? I hope you did. Subscribe again. Give this video a like. I'm sure you learned something. Now you know how to make some free cash this month of August. And of course, like, share, drop your comments. Tell me if you have anyone. I would really love to know if you have any of these stocks I mentioned, whether it is a short-term thing, long-term. Did you learn anything like when I talked about don't buy at the top? Tell me no. Let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video.